Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will going to show you how you can download the LinkedIn app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the LinkedIn app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to open your Google Chrome. And once you're on Chrome, next, I want you to go to the website of LinkedIn. So just search for linkedin.com on your search bar. And once you're on the LinkedIn website, next, I want you to click this 3 dots at the top right corner of your screen. And then a drop-down menu will appear. So among the options of this menu, I want you to select Cast, Save, and Share. And after that, there it is. You will now see the download or install button for the LinkedIn app right here. Just go and click it. And then click Install. And after that, it's done. Congratulations! You have now installed the LinkedIn app on your PC or laptop, so you can now access and use it more easily in the future. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.